haven't had very good luck trying to grow spinach before, and I'm going to try to change my luck this year, and I think luck has a lot to do with how well you prepare. Now you can see these grow beds here. Let me show you here in a minute. But the way I've got it set up is I've got one of these sprinklers for every two. Let me show you here. See, what I've got here is, you can see here there's a cross beam there, and then the water supply comes from over there. See, but anyway, water comes in, it goes down there, and then there's another one right here. And as you can see, there's one sprinkler, but it covers two of these. And same thing over there. There's one sprinkler, and see, it covers two pots. Another one back there. I don't think that's going to work too well. So what I mean, that hasn't been working too well, because sometimes some of the pots get, these containers get very, very wet, and some of them get very, very dry. And I've tried messing around with them, you know, moving this back and forth and all kinds of things. So anyway, I'm going to try a different approach this year. What I'm going to do is try to make a cross beam sort of thing instead of you know, one sprinkler here. What I'm going to do is put a T-joint in here. Actually, I can take it off here like this. Yeah, there we go. This is all half-inch threaded pipe pieces. So what I'm going to try to do here is do this. There we go. And these are 8-inch pieces. So let's. I bought a couple of these just to see if it fits right. Okay. And another one over here. And these don't have to be leak-proof, if you know what I mean. It's okay if something leaks out of here. That's no big problem, as long as it's not a lot. And then you put this here, and then you put another one over here. Okay. Now. Then what I do is do a couple of these short ones here. From past projects, I've got lots of these little pieces of half-inch pipe all over the place. And you see it's actually weighing it down, so what I'm going to have to do is put on support up here and pull it back up. But anyway, just to get it to see if I got all the pieces in there. Now, I've got to put something up here to support this, so let's do that, and then we'll try it out. Okay, so we've got this about where we want it. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, so now what we've got to do is plug in this pump. There's that pump over there. As you can see, I think that's a 1 horsepower pump, so it's got plenty of capacity. So we'll plug it in for a minute. There it goes. Let's see how it looks. We're starting okay. Well, you know what I think I'll have to do is this little piece right up here. I'll have to put in a long one so it gets a lot closer down there. Yeah, it looks like those are 8-inch pieces. Those are fine. Now what I need to do is lower the sprinkler heads down quite a bit so that there's not so much overspray. But it looks like, other than that, it's going to work pretty good. Okay, we're all done, and I have tested it, and it works. Let me show you here what we've got. This should water these a lot better than it used to. There's a sprinkler basically for each container now. and they're supported here by this string. This is nylon, so it's not gonna rot on me or anything like that. So here we go. Let me turn it on and show you. There we go. See, now that's that one there probably needs to be cleaned a little or something. But you can see each one is getting water now, and I think this is going to be a lot better. Now there are drain holes in each one of these, so they drain well. So that's good. Okay, so much better. We'll be able to grow some things in here this springtime, and this should work real fine.